Back, Flash Custom Transfers, Flash Custom Transfers. It's your boy, Straight Outta Content. And today, once again, we gotta ring that bell. Every time we hit $1,000, which we do every day, we ring that bell. So go ahead and show them the numbers for today. So far, what time is it?
448.
$1,100. Listen, guys, if you want to make money flipping the transfers, now these are our transfers, but we want to focus on manufacturing. We don't want to be selling to everybody. We want you to become a distributor in your city so that you can be ringing this bell $1,000 a day, over $300,000 a year. Yes, these numbers are real. On top of everything else that we do, we want to manufacture so that you can sell the transfers. So take these transfers and sell them. We got the strongest transfer in the world. Everybody knows it. Flash Custom Transfers, you know where to get it. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com or flashcustomtransfers.com. Visit us, check us out. Peace.
5 o'clock, 3:20. Where's our bell? Ring it. Just. Okay. Thank you.